Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut music in Capcut. So the first step is to ensure that you have an audio track to work with, whether this means extracting audio from your current project or simply adding audio to it. You just want to ensure that you have an actual audio track that we can now work with so that we can now cut the music. So as you can see, I have an audio track that I have just added onto my project, and if I want to cut it, I can do this in two ways. The first is by starting to select the track like that, and then you want to move the track until you reach a point where you want to cut it. So when I bring my track all the way to this white line and I wish to cut it when the video ends, so once I find your perfect position, you want to tap on split, and that will split the track into two sections. So you have the first section here and you have the second section here, and you can just easily select them to work with them. So if you want to delete that specific section, just tap on delete and it will be erased from your project. And now you can start working on your video alternatively if you want to adjust the music without actually deleting any parts, so that if you want to come back, you can come back and work on it later. Then all you need to do is simply select the track, and then you should see this white bars at the beginning and at the end of the track. So all you need to do is simply press on that white bar, and you want to drag it all the way until that point where you want the track to end, and then let go. You can then do the same thing with the beginning, and this will now allow you to adjust when the track is starting and when the track is stopping without deleting any of it, the audio. So it's up to you to decide which option you will prefer to use to cut music on CapCut, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.